Here at Total Health Dental, we're all about using the latest and greatest technology for treating gum disease. We're committed to giving our patients the best care we can, and that means staying on top of the latest developments in dental technology. When it comes to treating gum disease, we take a thorough approach. This includes using cutting-edge diagnostic tools and innovative treatment methods. We use digital x-rays and intraoral cameras to diagnose accurately. These tools help us catch gum disease early and plan the most effective treatment. For the actual treatment, we use ultrasonic scalers for non-surgical periodontal therapy. These instruments use ultrasonic vibrations to get rid of the plaque and tartar from beneath the gum line. This is more effective and comfortable for the patient compared to the old-school scaling methods. In situations when surgery is needed, we use laser technology. Laser gum surgery is a procedure that's minimally invasive, which means less discomfort and a quicker healing process. At Total Health Dental, we're all about giving our patients the best care possible. That includes using the latest technology for treating gum disease. We're dedicated to helping our patients keep their oral health in check and avoid serious issues that can come from untreated gum disease. If you're in the area around Naperville, Aurora, Oswego, or Plainfield, Illinois, and you're worried about gum disease, give us a ring at 630-585-5600. We'd be more than happy to answer any other questions you may have and set up an appointment for you.